Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Wanted to show you, this is our Luxe Gold 38 GFB, and got a little surprise for you in this. Several people have asked, can we fit a washer and dryer and stack it? Here's a half bath in the front bathroom. The answer is yes, we can. We figured it out. So I'm going to show you right back here. Look at this beautiful bathroom. This is one of my favorite bathrooms. It's got the double sink. Huge space back here. Check out how deep this is. Look at that. Come around here. And if you remember, this cabinet here used to be a linen closet, and then if you wanted a washer and dryer, you had to put it up here. Well, not anymore. There it is. Washer and dryer, stackable, and it actually fits with a shower, skylight. So hey, let us know what you think. Give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.